Right, guys. Okay, so portfolio, sorry, not portfolio, lesson 7. A pet collage. Okay, so this is what we're making in this lesson. Let me show you in the portfolio of work. Here we go, so one, this we all know. Then we've got these, and then this is today's lesson. Yeah? Just a collage of all of these different pets that we have made. Yeah? So we're not creating a great deal in this lesson. We're working with assets that we've already got. So what I did, first of all, I took a copy. I opened lesson 6 and I saved it again as lesson 7, Pets Collage. Yeah, and then I've got all of my pets here, some one-eyed fish, and I made copies of them. Yeah, make copies, duplicate, and then I moved it over here, and then I just started changing the colors and changing the eyes and changing the size and changing the rotation. Yeah, and I put it all together in here. I made a dog, just using the same things, just moving the eyes together, making the eyes a bit smaller, just rotating this around for some ears. I didn't do a lot of new stuff really. I mean, the new stuff was the dog, which was really just moving the eyes in, and then just rotating these around. And then I duplicated it and just added a white bit in between. The nicest thing in this lesson is probably this here, this heart on this mouth. So let me show you how to do that. So I've got a fish up here with no mouth. So we're going to start with a rectangle. I just want just a plain rectangle. So I'm just going to fill it black. Wait a minute. Fill it black. I don't want any rounding on this. Okay, and I want it exactly square. So 80 by 80. Okay. I want a circle. And this also needs to be exactly square. Now. So this, okay, I thought I put 80, 80. Okay, 87, fine. And here, 87, 87. Yeah. We can lock that because we want to keep that exactly circular. Okay. We can make these pink. Where's pink? Yeah. Make that pink. Let's change the stroke. Use my pipette tool to do that nice and easily. Now let's do it again. Change that to that color. Change the fill. Change the fill. Okay, all right. Okay, more difficult than it should have been. Right, now we need to use this tool, enable snapping. And what that does is when we select this, it kind of clicks together. When we've done that, we can group that. We can duplicate it using Command D. And then we can rotate it. And then we can snap that together. When we've done that, we can turn off snapping. And we can group those. Once we've done that, we can rotate it. And we've got a lovely little heart. Yeah? We can... Yeah. And we can change the stroke any color we want. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's how to make a heart, and then you just need to resize it, and you can put it on your fish, Very nice. The only other thing I did was this border. It looks like tape, yeah? And all it is a rectangle with the opacity set to 74, approximately 70, so that we can see through it a little bit, yeah? And it gives quite a nice effect. It looks like a border, yeah? So it's just a rectangle, a white rectangle with the opacity set to 74. And what happens is when we save it, we get this nice effect. Yeah. Okay, so that's all you need to do for this lesson. Nice and easy. Shouldn't take you too long at all. Have some fun with that.